Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to restore trash on Mac. To start, I'll delete this Safari update video file right here. Now, if you want to restore it immediately right after deleting it, the fastest way, so you don't even have to open the trash bin, is to simply press Command-Z. Just like that, the file you just deleted is back. The second way is to actually open the trash. You can do this by clicking the trash icon located at the far right of the dock. Here, it lists all the files you've deleted. To restore a file from here, simply right-click on the file and then select Put Back. The file will be sent back to the exact folder it was in before you deleted it. However, if you want to move it to a different folder, not its original location, you can just click and drag the file from the trash window out onto your desktop or Finder. That will restore the file as well. Now be careful. If you hit empty to clear out the trash, it becomes very difficult to recover a file once it's completely gone from the bin. One of the ways you might get it back is by using the Time Machine app if you have a previous backup, or by using some third-party paid software. When I make videos on those specific methods, I will update the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.